Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be rebuilding the rear master cylinder for the Shovelhead. This is a PM classic style, which they no longer support, unfortunately. But today I'll be rebuilding this, and then also I got one long brake line, so I'll get rid of this, basically this junction block for the brake light switch, and I actually have a banjo bolt that has the switch integrated with it. So I'll have one single line instead of having two separate lines there. So hopefully I'll get that done today. But basically, this is gonna be a how-to on how to rebuild a PM classic style master cylinder. And an opening of that package right there. That should have all the shit that I need to get the job done today. Let's get it. All right, got the camera mounted there. So let's go ahead and find some scissors and get this package opened. This is from Lowbrow Customs. Let's see. All right, this jab is out of the way. Oh, what the fuck is this? Oh, okay. Just step out. And so I'm only gonna review or reveal the shit I'm gonna use today. So this is a kicker leg. Here's the brake line, and here's that banjo bolt with the integrated brake line switch. I think that's all I needed for that. And so I'm gonna put the rest of the box down. Reveal that later. But here are some copper washers, I think. Yeah, copper washers for the banjo bolts, and I have two different rebuild style kits for the rear master cylinder. So shit, yeah, I should have everything to do the job today. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab a rag here, actually a brand new one. Let's see here, one of these. And then we're gonna pull that master cylinder off, but first I should probably drain the .5 off the master and the lines. So gotta put the gloves on. Gloves on for that. And let's get to it. All right guys, we're down at the bike. Goddamn. All right, about ready to get this brake master cylinder off, but first we're gonna drain the fluid here. So hopefully this is a good angle for you guys to watch. Let's see. Yeah, you guys got a good view there. So I got a 5/32 Allen head right here, and I already loosened the top cover a little bit to make it easier on me and less painful for you guys to watch me struggle. So just screwing both of the sides off. We're gonna pop this cap off. And please ignore the little gasket I made for this top cover. I had to makeshift one. Oh shoot, is it stuck? Oh no. Nope, got it. All right, got that off. Put that down there. And what I basically have here is a syringe, at least to drain most of the fluid out of the reservoir so I'm not spilling shit everywhere. So let me just take some of this off. All right, and squirt it in the bottle. That's basically it for the reservoir. Let me just do one more. Yeah, you can hear it's all air. All right, so that's good. I think the rest of it's pretty gonna be fucking messy, so I'm just gonna go for it. I'm going to loosen up the brake lines from the banjo bolt. Actually, the banjo fitting itself. I think that's what it's called, the banjo fitting. So what I have here is a 7/16 wrench. So hopefully I'm not struggling too bad with this bullshit. Let's see. Oh, is it that bad? Oh, there we go. I think that's loosening it up. Yep, there we go. Oh, okay, I have to use a wrench for this. My hands aren't strong enough. And let me just move the camera over to show you guys what I'm doing. Oh, banged you guys. Let's see. Try to angle you down a bit. There you go. Well, fuck. Hang on. There you go. So what I have here on this side is this line, and I'm just basically loosening this up. So this is all kind of B-roll. And I have a feeling brake fluid might come down from here. And we're just gonna do that number. I think that's it. Ugh. Cool. And then what I have here is a 9/16 wrench right here. And this should take care of this guy. Ugh. All right, we're spilling brake .5 everywhere. Shit, there we go. All that stuff off. Oh, let's see. Now we can dismount the rear master cylinder from the forward controls here. Let's see. So actually, this is already loosened up for me, so I can take the plunger thing out. Let's see. That's thin. Oh, there we go. The struggle. Boom. This is off. And so I can dismount this. And I did my measurements already. And this one actually took a 14 mil. So I got a 14 mil wrench and a 14 millimeter socket and ratchet. And hopefully I could do this. Here we go. That one. And then this one's also a 14, I believe. Is that loosen it up already? Yep. All right, we're almost there. Sweet, that was easy. Let's see here. If there's any more .5, I'm just gonna pour it in here. There we go, baby. No more. All right, let's take this to the workbench. Oh yeah, here we go, PM. Ayo. Super cool. All right. All right, guys, we're on my workbench, and here's the PM master cylinder. So this is actually a pretty easy job because basically things go in as they go out. I think the hardest thing about this is taking out the C-clip and then pushing all the shit out through this hole. So let's get to it. Really no good way to do it but to wrestle with it for a couple minutes. Oh, that was easy. Here you go. There's the C-clip. Hopefully that doesn't launch everywhere. And now the hard part. You have to push out everything and to make and you can't really scratch the bore in the inside. So you have to be careful with that. So I have a flathead here. And nope, don't like that. Let's see. Nope, I need something longer. I think this small enough? Nope. Shoot. All right, here we go. We're going for it. Let's see, is this good? This Allen key thing. Okay. I think I feel something in there. Let's see. And what I'm pushing through is like that little hole there. You have to push, there's a spring, and then that I'm pushing against to push all this out. So that's what I'm doing without scratching the actual bore of the master cylinder. Yeah, I think it's coming out. There we go. Boom, popped out, look at that. There we go. So I got this, here's that cup, and here's that spring. And so The reason why I'm rebuilding this is because this is actually missing a piece. And I realized that when I did my research online. And so a similar kit that I found actually was this one, where we have this and then we have the same cup, but then we never had this thing, which is like a cone to keep the spring in. And so I won't be using this rebuild kit per se, because I actually like this one more, where they actually have everything in there. And when I mean everything, I mean like the cone is actually attached to the piece. And so it's one piece like that. We have the return spring for the pedal, and then a better gasket for the top cover there. I wonder if this should be the same bore size, so I ordered a 5/8 and they look good. I can't use, this C-clip looks too big. Whoa. So I'll probably just reuse my old one there. This one. So this is what I'm putting in, is this. And so they did provide some lubrication, which I don't know if I'm actually gonna use this. I'm probably just gonna coat the little gaskets here with .5 that I'm gonna put in there, because I don't want this to go in the lines, if that even matters. So I got some .5 here that I'll be using, and pour some in the cap. Boom. And then coat this guy a little bit, and this one. Shit. There you go. So both guys, these guys have fluid on it, so they're not going in dry. First things first, let's see if this spring goes in good. Boom, good. And we got this guy. I'm not sure what this is called. This is called as a plunger. Oh shit. So, there we go. I have to make sure, you know what? All together now. Or not. All right, one more time. What's happening is this part's actually flipping out a bit, so it's making it harder to push in. And so I want to make sure those flanges are going in to the bore. There we go. Spring's good. I wonder if I have to push this down. Yep. There it is. And would it go down all the way for me to put the C-clip in? Yes, it fucking will. All right, here's the C-clip. That was a struggle. And I think this is the hard part, for me to push down the plunger and then put the C-clip in its retaining area. Let's see. Oh, do this. And push it down at the same time. Or maybe I can push down with this tool here. Motherfucker. There we go. Holy shit. One shot. Let me make sure that C-clip is in there though. Here we go. It's in the hole. Can barely see in this bitch. Let's see. Oh no, it's not in there all the way. Let me push it down. Oh, fuck you. Get this one. Let's see. Oh, the other side's not in, so I'm gonna push it down on this side. There we go. Let's see. I think that should be it. Let me push it in one more time to make sure. You want to make sure that that shit is in there because you don't want the plunger to go past the line there because then fluid will leak out or that shit will shoot out the bike. Let's see. Yep, I think we're good. Yep, and here we go. Let me just show you guys. I'm not sure if you can see that, but now, oh, where's the angle at? C-clip is in there with that little plunger, and there's actually a recessed ring in there that keeps the C-clip in. And I made sure that the C-clip sits in that ring, and there's no part of it that's sitting outside of that indentation. Let me just center the ring a bit. Yeah, I think we should be good. And I'm just gonna push down on the plunger. Okay, we should be solid. All right, this guy is ready to go back in the bike. All right, guys, we're back down at the bike. Have all my parts kind of laid out there. They're kind of scattered, but luckily I know what everything does. So we should be good to go. What I'm gonna do now is remove the brake lines from the bike. And so I still have to unscrew the back portion that connects to the rear caliper there. And so I kind of already loosened it because I didn't want to wrestle with it on camera. And then I'm also gonna put this in there so the brake fluid would go inside that bottle. Now it's time to unplug my brake light switch. There we go. And then I can actually feed the line off the bike here. Alrighty. There we go. And all the fluid should travel down into the bottle. This is my old shit. Old shit goes here. Let's plug this guy up. Oh. Sweet. Alright, alrighty. New lines. So I measured it out and this should work out perfectly. This is how long is this? 47 inches. All right, so at least let's get this portion on. And you know what? Let me move the camera so you guys can see. Ooh, a little closer. You see that? Yeah? No? Kinda. Fuck it. There you go. And then I have to move you down a bit. Oh. Yep. We're there. All right, here we go. So, righty-tighty. Putting this on. And I think the torque spec for these lines, or any banjo lines, almost like just 10 foot-pounds, I believe. So it's not too much. There we go. And here's my 7/16 open-ended wrench. Then give one more ugga-chugga. That feels good. All right, what's important is now I need to route those lines appropriately so that shit doesn't get caught up in anything. So let me move you guys up a bit, like that. Move you guys back, like this. Sweet. All right, so I'm thinking previously, I wrapped outside and on top of the frame. Oh shit. There we go. So, top frame. On top. And then went on top of these oil lines. Oh wait, no. The bottom of the oil lines here. Why is it spinning like that? That's dumb. There we go. And that should be good right there. Let me make sure. Oil lines. I want it to be outside the oil lines. Okay. Maybe I'll come over the top of that too. Okay, I think this is good right here. Sweet. So it's going underneath the transmission mount plate. Oh no, this is actually the transmission mount for under the kicker. Doesn't touch this. Over the frame, on top of the frame, and into the rear master. Okay, that should be good. Fuck yeah, dude. That was easy. Let's move the eyes forward a bit. Boom. All right, now I can remount the master. So I believe it goes this way like that. So I got this bolt here, goes through, and I believe I use this nut, that, and kind of just mount this on by hand. Oh, there goes my pedal. There you go, caught on. So that's loosely on there. And this is the other bolt that goes on the back side that actually screws into the master. Sweet. Alright, so those guys are loosely on there. And actually, I could probably try to fix this too. I gotta loosen this up. I think this takes an 11 mil. Let's see. An 11. 1/2. Nope. 3/8. Nope. 10. Nope. So it's 2 11s. Motherfucker. Do I have another 11? I do. Cool. All right. So what I'm doing is breaking loose this lock nut on, what do you call it? A hem joint? And this hem joint connects to the brake pedal here. So let me break this loose. Oh man. Get the camera in here. Oh, come on, baby. Am I going the right way? Let me think. No, other way. I think it's the other way. Come on. Fuck you. I am weak. Let's see. Let's do it this way. Oh, the struggle. There you go. I should have done this off camera. Did I do it? Yes, there we go. It's loose. So now we can screw this in and out. But first we should probably mount this back. So it takes the Allen bolt here. Actually, probably best to make this shorter first. And what I'm doing is I'm screwing the hem joint into this, I don't know what you call it, this rod or whatever, to make the length of it shorter so it would fit inside the plunger thing. And then I can also hook up the brake pedal to it. So I need to make it a little bit shorter. And we're spinning. There we go, I think that's good. So let's see. Yep, that should work. Actually, it should probably go shorter than that. There we go. Maybe this will do it. Go. Let's put this bolt back on. Let's see. There we go, that's good. Not enough play in there, huh, though. Let me make it shorter. Oops. All right, let's bottom this out. I think that's bottomed out now. Yeah. Cool. Where's my bolt at? Oh, there it is. All right, bolts on there. Loosely on there, actually, not on there fully. All right, sweet. Not gonna worry about that right now. All right, next is putting on banjo line, but we're gonna put this on first, which is the bolt brake light switch, banjo bolt brake light switch. Here we go. Let's open this guy up. And actually this came with some copper washers, so maybe I bought that other shit for no reason. Oh shit, open. Here we go. Open. Here's the washers. I need scissors. Oh shit. All right, got those open. Those are good to go. Let's see. There's a line. Got one copper washer in. And then here comes the banjo fitting. And then one more copper washer. Like that. And so that's how it basically goes. And so let's screw this on first. Oh shit, is it going in? Oh no, is it not the right size? Fuck me. Oh, it's not. Oh, that's a bummer. I wonder if I can put this on the back then. What size did I buy? Oh, it's light. This is 38 by 24. Huh, maybe this isn't the right size. Maybe this is the size for the rear then. Yeah, but let's try the rear. Ran into my first issue. So the rear master cylinder banjo bolt is actually bigger than the banjo bolt I bought with the brake light switch, but this actually fits on the caliper. So what I'm gonna do is, instead of using this on the rear master cylinder, I'm gonna use a switch on the rear caliper. So let's go to the rear caliper side so you can see that. I'll place you down right there. Yep, you can see it. So get those copper washers on like you saw earlier. Here's the banjo bolt with the light switch, one copper washer. Then it goes to the banjo fitting, and then the second copper washer. Boom. And then this should screw into the brake caliper itself. There we go. All right, this is going smoother than last time. Let's tighten this up, but not too tight. I think that's good enough for me. I'll look up the torque specs, but yeah, so I guess the brake light switch line will just run along the side of the brake line itself. Oh wait, why is it still loose? Oh God, is this not the right line? Well then, I wonder. Let's see, it's take it off and let's see. Let's see here. So this is the old line. It's actually longer, so that sucks. Maybe I will reuse my other line. Holy shit. Because basically it bottoms out on the caliper itself. Well, that's a bummer. All right, well, we are using the old line. All right, guys, unforeseen fucking issue, dude. These fucking bikes. So I thought I could use this banjo bolt for the rear because the threads were the same. I believe the threads are 33/8 by 24 thread. But the issue that I had is the length of this bolt is actually too long for the caliper because the other one was a bit shorter. So this was basically bottoming out on the caliper and it wasn't tightening the banjo fitting to the caliper itself, and so that sucks. So I basically reinstalled my old line and how it was previously routed. If I buy a new rear master cylinder, I will use this. But in the meantime, let's get this back together how it was. So let's place you back down. So here we go. Got these guys here. So let's do this over again. Got the banjo bolts and the fitting. Steel washer. And let's get this on like this. This is the right way. Oh, there we go. I believe it was to the left, like that. Oh, it's not right there. Get this guy. Yep. There we go. And then this line. Oh, shoot. Maybe it wasn't like that. Let me turn it down a bit. Sit around here like that. All right, screw this guy back on. Man, the struggle. Maybe I should have put this on the line first. Oh, there we go. Did it catch? Oh, my arm. All right, come on, guy. Let's keep it going. There we go. So let me tighten this up. Oh, it feels like 10 foot-pounds. Fuck you. And let's tighten up the mounts to 14. Am I going the right way? Definitely not. Let's go up. Boom. And let's get this guy on here. Oh, wrong way. Okay, fuck you. All right. That's good to go. Everything should be mounted properly. Let me make sure that this is tight. Going down, oh, going up. Feels good. And this one. Yep, can you check the rear real quick? And we can bleed the brakes.
There you go.
Yep. All right, that should be good. And where is my Damash? Oh, let's move you guys closer to here. Actually, this way. Ooh. Huh. Don't know where to place you. There you go, maybe there. All right, here's my brake bleeding kit. So we're gonna go ahead and hook this up. All right, got this guy here. And then what else do I need? I need that wrench. Let's see, is this? Nope, let me find that size. All right, guys, we are back. I got my brake bleeding tool here already hooked up to the rear caliper. And so let me just pump this up to 15. And then I'm gonna go ahead and pour some brake fluid in that reservoir. Top that guy off. Cool. And then we're gonna open this up and we should see some .5. Well, I guess has to go through the lines first. Oh yeah, there it goes. Let me refill this real quick. So the tool is staying at 15 and it's just sucking the air through the master, and I can see the fluid now. Yep, let me just close this off. All right, more pressure there. And then we can take a look at the reservoir itself. Should be all purple with the fluids. Let's see, can you guys see it? Boom, there we go. And so with the kit I bought, it actually had a better gasket than the one I had on my master previously. So this should actually fit on there pretty nicely. So yeah. This here, boom, and it lines up perfectly with the holes there. And we got the PM top cover, and yeah, we are good to go. It's on there by hand. All right, where's my Allen key? Here it is. Tighten this guy up. All right, that should be good. All right, guys, so that was a success and a failure. At least I showed you how to rebuild a PM Classic style master cylinder. That was as planned. But to complete the single brake line with the banjo bolt style brake light switch, that's where I failed. This banjo bolt was too small for the rear master cylinder and then too long for the brake caliper. So I think the only way I can accomplish what I wanted to do in the first place is buy a new rear master cylinder that would accept, I think it's a 3/8 by 24 thread. Let's see. Yeah, 3/8 by 24 threaded banjo bolt. So that's the only way I can see me actually using this shit I bought. So wasted more money. You might find this on Facebook Marketplace. But let's see if the brakes actually work here. Hopefully I don't take out one of these battery tenders. Ugh. All right, let's see. So we're moving along. I'm gonna go forward. And so we're going back. All right. Oh no, we're not. We're stuck. Fuck you. Oh yeah, the brakes are good. The brakes are stopping. The brakes are stopping, and then that longer spring makes that pedal go back pretty good. Like I feel brake pressure, and then the spring is pretty good. It's way better than last time. Yeah, I'm happy with it. I'm just sad that I couldn't use that fucking brake line I bought with the fucking bolts. I took everything apart and had to put it back together with the old shit, so that's a bummer. I think the next episode I'll be mounting the, well, I guess I'll just show you guys. I'll be mounting the old stuff transmission plate mount, and then I'll put the transmission back in the bike. So that'll be cool to get the bike back together. Put that box back down. But yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more if you want to see more of me talking. All right, guys. Peace.